नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज let us understand about the shrinkage of the fabric in fabric basically. Shrinkage in fabric is referred to the reduction in the dimension of the fabric after it has been washed, dried, otherwise subject to heat or moisture. This is a common phenomena and can affect the fit and appearance of the final garments or textile product. So let us understand the type of shrinkage terminology used in fabric manufacturing and normal fabric business. Let us understand what is a potential shrinkage. Potential shrinkage is the total amount of the shrinkage a fabric can undergo if it is exposed to the maximum possible condition like temperature and high moisture. Example, if a cotton fabric has a potential shrinkage of 10%, it means that under extreme washing conditions, it could reduce size by up to 10%. This is called potential shrinkage. So when we are doing a finishing, before finishing, we are doing a potential shrinkage testing in a lab, and based on that, we will finish of that. So the example for potential shrinkage is like if cotton fabric has a potential shrinkage of 10, it means that it's under extreme washing conditions. It could reduce the size by 10% up to 10%. So let us now talk about the residual shrinkage. Residual shrinkage is referred to the shrinkage remaining in a fabric after it has been subject to finishing process, designed to minimize the shrinkage. This is a shrinkage that may still occur during future laundering and usage, which called residual shrinkage. When we are talking about the fabric selling terms, and when we are sewing to the fabric, we are generally writing a residual shrinkage. It means whatever the fabric we will sell after making a garment, that much shrinkage will be remain. I mean to say that much shrinkage will occur during making or washing the garment or processing during the garmenting. Example, a finished fabric might have an initial potential shrinkage of 8%, but after pre-shrinking treatment, it may have a residual shrinkage of only 2%. This means that while it has been treated to reduce the shrinkage, it can still shrink by 2% with the future washes. I think this is very clear understanding or explanations. Now let us talk about the applied shrinkage. It is very simple. Applied shrinkage is uh, potential shrinkage minus residual shrinkage is the applied shrinkage. Applied shrinkage is the amount of shrinkage deliberate induced in the fabric during the manufacturing or finishing process to control and stabilize the dimensions. Example, during sunforization process or we can say 0 process method of pre-shrinking fabric, a controlling amount of shrinkage is applied to cotton fabric to reduce the potential shrinkage from 10 to 1 or 2 or 3. This ensures that the fabric remains stable and does not shrink significantly after being made into the garment and washes. So understanding this type of shrinkage helps in selecting and processing the fabric appropriately for various end user, ensuring that the final product maintain their size, shape and fit over time. So friends, when we are talking about the residual shrinkage, the garmenter first cut the small piece of the fabric and wash themselves to see the residual shrinkage for roll wise or batch wise, and then set the sizes of the garment based on the shrinkage so that he can get whatever the size he need. So friends, this is about the shrinkage. Anytime if you have any query, please connect me. I will help you for any of such textile related query.